Today I'm taking you inside my grandmother's home in northern Iran. In this quiet coastal town, time doesn't rush. It flows like the rain. Bringing a deep, soothing peace to everything it touches. Outside the red brick building, the tall poplar trees are dancing in the wind, coaxing us to leave the busy world behind and step inside. The stairs welcome you with rows of vibrant geraniums, or Shamdooni as we call them in Persian. Bathed in the soft sunlight filtering through the glass. Every window in this house is a living frame. This one reveals the deep green of the neighbor's yard. A traditional qalamkar tablecloth. Each design is hand-printed using carved wooden blocks. The old mulberry tree stands like a living painting. Freshly gathered orange blossoms. If only you could breathe in this heavenly fragrance with me. And the soul of this home. Grandma's old Persian porcelain and vintage treasures. The soft texture of hand-woven rugs.